National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 327, in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties: in Illinois, Cook and Kane. This includes the following marine and highway locations: Lake Chicago from Calumet City to downtown Chicago, Interstate 90 between mile markers 36 and 75, Interstate 94 between mile markers 37 and 76. Remember, a tornado watch means that the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen out for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
This is an emergency alert message for the city of Elgin. The National Weather Service in Chicago issued a Tornado Watch 327 that was previously in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. The Tornado Watch is now in effect until midnight Central Standard Time, covering Cook and Kane Counties until the emergency service is clear. At 9:55 p.m. on May 22, 2011, PMBX 891.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for north central Cook County in northern Illinois, south central Kane County in northern Illinois, west central Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 2:55 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 120 miles west of Cedar Lake and was moving northwest at 35 miles per hour. The tornado will be near downtown Chicago by 10:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Take cover now. If you wait to see or hear it coming, it may be too late to get to a safe place. A tornado watch remains in effect until 12 a.m. Central Daylight Time for Cook and Kane Counties. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other lowest spot and cover your head with your hands. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-815-834-0675 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:55 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: Lake County, Indiana, and for the following counties: in Illinois, Cook and Kane.